On the 12th of May this year in Newport Beach in California, a car struck a curb and then careered into some construction equipment that was parked on the highway. All three occupants of the car were killed, while three construction workers required hospital treatment for what was described as non life threatening injuries. This was not a construction accident, of course, but the nature of the accident does raise concerns for the future of demolition and construction equipment operations. Why? Because the car in question was a Tesla Model S and it has sparked an investigation into Tesla's autopilot system. The National Highways Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA as it's known, is currently conducting an investigation into more than 30 separate incidents involving Tesla's autopilot driver assistance system. Tesla is one of a number of companies that have released level 2 driver assistance systems designed to ease driving chores. Those systems are far from full self-driving, which is level 4 or level 5. And Tesla specifically instruct drivers to pay attention to the road and to keep their hands on the wheel as well. For all that, the incident in Newport Beach is as timely as it is tragic. Last week's report from the Association of Equipment Manufacturers predicted a marked growth in the use of autonomous construction equipment in the coming decade. And at the Bauma exhibition in Munich later this year, an area has already been set aside specifically to showcase the coming wave of autonomous machines. The notion of autonomous construction equipment is not new, of course. Caterpillar recently announced that it has now moved more than 1 billion tons of material autonomously in a single year. But the NHTSA investigation into the automotive sector will once again raise questions about the safety of autonomous vehicles and, by association, autonomous equipment. Construction equipment obviously doesn't travel at the same speeds as road-going cars like the Tesla Model S. But what they lack in speed, they more than make up in weight. An autonomous excavator, dump truck, or wheel loader could do unimaginable damage if it went out of control for some reason. And while Caterpillar's 1 billion tons record is an incredible and laudable feat, it's taken place in remote mines located miles from pedestrians and from other vehicles. Whenever we mention autonomous vehicles, we receive a bit of a backlash from concerned operators who are fearful that a machine may one day take their job. That may be true. But based on this latest incident, that day remains a long, long way off.